الرحمن الرحيم واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا صدق الله العظيم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يد الله على الجماعة أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Honorable judges, my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver my speech on a topic that does not belong to books, lectures or classrooms. It belongs to the heart of every nation, the blood of every patriot, and the soul of every mother who prays for her children's future. The topic is the importance of means the lifeline of national power. Dear audience, when a drop of water stands alone, the earth dries it. But when drops gather, they become a river. When rivers unite, they become an ocean, and an ocean fears no storm. A nation is nothing. Divided people are like scattered dust. But when hearts unite, when hands join, when voices rise together, a nation becomes a wall of steel, a mountain that cannot be moved. Let me take you back to a moment in history. 1400 of deserts of Arab, the world a few fighting each other suddenly transformed into the greatest force on earth. What changed? No numbers, no weapons. It was unity under one kalima, one prophet, one purpose, one soul beating in millions of hearts. The audience, come towards. Come to the Pakistan we love. The Pakistan made not by wealth or armies, but by unity, the kind that shakes empires. But today I ask you, what breaks a nation first? Bombs, bullets, enemies? No. A nation broken by hate, by division, by the poison whispered in hearts. This poison does not explode like a bomb. It spreads quietly like a slow burning fire, burning brotherhood and turning the nation into many pieces. United youth can rebuild a nation. Destroy one.